Everyone, this is Kristen. In today's video I'm going to do my eye makeup using mustache, using this Haus Laboratories Glam Room #1, and the whole reason I am using this is because I got this in my BoxyCharm Premium for this month for May, but I already had the palette. This is my original palette. So I'm going to use this palette right here. Ooh, there we go. This is Lady Gaga's brand. Why did I buy this? When I first saw it, I'm like, oh, Lady Gaga. But then you think about it and you're like, does this color story, does this packaging scream Lady Gaga? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. I have heard other people say that before though, but I'm like, yeah, it's really weird. Why does every celebrity think they need their own brand, own makeup brand? Anyways, yeah, so I'm just going to use this one. I don't know what I'm even going to do because what do I do with makeup? I don't know. But yeah, so, good question. Good question. But yeah, so there we go. I'm probably just going to, I'm going to take that one. They don't even have names. Oh, they do on the back, but not on the front, so fuck it. So yeah, I'm just going to take that color right there with like one of my Melts Beetlejuice colors. No, brush. I put P. Louise base on my lids. And we're going to go to town. Again, don't know what I'm going to do, just going to blend that into my quote-unquote crease because I got hooded eyes. So, wow, I slept a lot yesterday. I didn't sleep very well at the hotel. I woke up at like 3 in the morning for some reason. So, yes, I came home, I ate a burger, promptly fell asleep. Woke up around 8:30. Husband ordered Beggar's Pizza, deep dish. So it's kind of like a low carb, a high carb treat. And then I went to bed at 3 and woke up at 7 because of course I need to film this video, so I have a video up at 10. So this will probably be quite unedited. I already did my brows. I use this Wonder Beauty. I need to get something more like this. I like the little liquid pens, but they're just not like opaque enough. I had a Fenty pen that I got in one of my subscription boxes, but that piece of shit was dry, and it just basically fell right out of the packaging too on my last work trip. I did make a really fun blue look with that Natasha Denona Jubilee palette. I took some photos. They weren't very good photos because the train lighting kind of sucks, of course. Not good for photos, at least. So, there's that. I'm trying to bring this up all the way to my freaking brows, by the way. So something else that's fun, I'm going to start doing anti-haul videos. Apparently Embolism C is also going to start doing anti-haul videos. So that's cool. We might try and see if I can somehow collab with her on that. And I've also been talking to Fatally Flawed Ash, also here on YouTube, about collabing with videos, so that is fun. Okay, well, okay, I don't know what I'm doing now, but should I use the same brush? I'm just going to use the same brush. I'm just going to wipe this off. And I think what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go into this little darker brown color and just see where it goes from here. I think I have used this before, but like it was so long ago, I don't even know what I did. Yeah, so anyway, so anti-haul videos. I haven't made like an official announcement yet, but I'm pretty much going to be canceling all my subscription boxes, I think. Probably, very likely. You know, I'm just not using more than half of the shit I get in them. And half the shit's skincare, and the skincare I already have. I'm sure some of it isn't for my skin type. You know what I mean? Like, it's not just makeup in those boxes, so, you know, fuck it. Save some money. I have a huge stash of makeup that will literally take me years to get through. I don't know. I don't know. So I finally started watching Kimberly Clark's videos, and if you don't know who she is, she's basically like the mom of the anti-haul videos. I've seen her name before thrown around by people who have done anti-haul videos. Not very many people at all attributed to her, and she's said too in her videos, you know, you don't have to. But I think it's cool to like say, when you know, like, she's the one that created these videos. That's how. So anyways, I'm gonna go with another layer of this just to see what we got going here. So yeah, so that's cool. Very entertaining. I don't think they've really updated their YouTube in like maybe almost a year now. But their anti-haul videos are great. Their other videos are great. Highly recommend that you should go watch them. Oh, my nose. My allergies are really getting to me this year. I think it's a sign of getting older. Well, we got this neutrally kind of look going on. I think it looks about the same on each eye. I don't know what to do next. Should I do that? See, now we got sparkly ones. The only other matte we got left is the black. I don't know if I necessarily want to do that. I don't know this stuff. It's all about experimentation, right? Right. Yeah, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do today. Yeah. Alright, let me get a different brush. Maybe a smaller brush. How about that? Maybe that'll help. Wipe this shit off. I need to watch wrestling. I should have watched wrestling yesterday, but I was watching Star Trek. I've been trying to watch Star Trek The Next Generation. I think I am on the last season. I love Star Trek. But yeah, I definitely want to, you know, watch wrestling and like make maybe like reaction videos, or, you know, do my makeup and talk about wrestling. Maybe even like do some sort of watch party where like I just get on live and like if anyone else wants to watch that same wrestling show, we could all start it like at the same time. I don't know. There's got to be women out there that like wrestling that are also on YouTube. I know 2 of them. No, 3. I'm sorry. There's 3 channels I know of now, which actually equals 4 women because I think 2 of them do 1 channel. Okay, anyway, so, oh man, what am I going to do? Fuck it, I'm going to try the black. I'm going to... Oh, what am I... Oh, I'm going to fuck it up. I know I'm going to fuck it up. So I'm using a smaller Mitchell brush now. Oh man, I'm fucking this up. I know I am. I find myself getting a little bit jealous. And not in a bad way. I mean, it's really cool for them. You know, there's some people who have been subscribers of mine that are getting the same people who I've been subscribed to commenting on their channels. And I'm like, I'm so jealous. Again, not trying to be a dick. That's awesome for them. Actually, that's stellar for them. That's so cool. I wish I could. But, you know, apparently I'm just a jobber. My job is to make other people look good. Apparently. Okay, this isn't bad. I'm just experimenting right now, so I'm doing something different. Doing something different. Doing something different. That was another Beetlejuice brush that I just used there. I'll probably just finish this one eye and then do the other one off camera. That way there's not a whole ton of footage, because we don't need that. But, okay, what are we going to do? Ugh. What are we going to do? Okay, I think I'm going to take this other brush. So I think what I want to do is I'm going to take this purple and put it like right here. We'll see how that works. Without doing a cut crease or anything. Ooh, that's a very pretty color. I like that a lot. Okay, so I'm going to go back into this brush and just kind of blend it out on the edge there. Hopefully I can remember what I did for the other eye. Oh, interesting, okay. A little bit of fallout this way. Yeah. Okay, what's next? What is next? Okay, another brush. I think I'm going to... Actually, what do you think about this gold? I was going to go in there, just go lighter, but I think that gold... It's not exactly gold. Maybe it's more like a rose gold, but we will see. I'm just going to bam. Ooh. It's not really... Ooh, that's not really... I don't know, that's... Wow, it looks gold in the pan, but it's like reflecting like reddish. Ooh. Ooh, I'm a fan. Ooh, I didn't know that. That looks so cool. Wow. Okay. Ooh. Okay. That on my eye is not what it looks like in the pan. Wow, that's cool. Okay. Alright, well, I'm gonna do the other eye and then I'll come back. I'll come back with everything else on, so a moment. No, stop it. Okay, everyone, this is the completed look. I didn't put lashes on. I thought I would, but no, I don't want to put lashes on. So this was using the Haus Laboratories Glam Room 1. There you go. Okay, so yeah, all I did was I continued the colors underneath my eyes. I actually used black in my waterline, which I know probably makes my eyes look smaller, but IDK. No, IDC. Oh shoot. Okay, yeah, I can definitely see where I put my fingers when I was actually doing my eye makeup. I didn't powder my face. Anyways, that's fine. It's fine. Yeah, so there we go. Something different. Not that this is not what I want to do. This is exactly the type of makeup I want to be doing on my eyes. Just I, of course, can't do this sort of look for work. I really liked this gold, how it looks on my lid, because it actually was more like rose gold, but it doesn't look that way in the pan. At all. I did use a different inner corner. I used from this little Dominique Cosmetics palette that I got from Trendmood. I use this color in my inner corner. Probably should have gone a little lighter. This actually looks darker than it does in the pan, but it's still really cool looking. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I did find all of these colors that I did use very nice. They worked very well. It's not the first time I used the palette, but I haven't used it in many months. So that is what I plan on doing, revisiting all my eyeshadow palettes using products that I've already purchased. And yeah, so please give me a like and comment down below what you think of this look, what you think of that palette, Haus Laboratories in general. And if you're not already subscribed, I would love if you did so, because why not? It's free. Thanks very much for watching. I will see you tomorrow at 10 a.m. because remember, I upload every single day. I'm a crazy ass. Yeah. Anyways, talk to you later. Bye.